Hello and welcome. My name is Anil Patel and I'm going to show installation of Tableau Desktop Professional in Mac OS. So if you want install Tableau Desktop in Windows OS, so please click on I button and you will get the link for installation of Tableau Desktop in Windows OS. So Windows 10 is compatible for Tableau Desktop, Windows 10 64-bit. So let's get started for installation of Tableau Desktop Professional in Mac OS. So we'll enter the URL tableau.com in web browser, then we'll go to products, then click on Tableau Desktop. So here we have multiple products from the Tableau, so like Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Online, Tableau Prep, Tableau Public. So all these are different products from the Tableau. So we are going to install Tableau Desktop, so click on Tableau Desktop. And because we are logging from the Mac, so website will detect automatically that we are going to download installation setup for the Mac. So just click on try it for free and enter email ID. It can be any email ID, and just click on download free trial. And the latest version of Tableau Desktop as of today, it's Tableau Desktop 2020.3.0, and this is DMG file because we are downloading in Mac, and we'll download it. Then it's 526 MB. So I have already downloaded the setup, so I'll open the setup. So here I have already downloaded Tableau Desktop setup. So just we'll double click on DMG file, Tableau Desktop 2020.3.0 DMG. Then just simply double click on it. So the Tableau 2020 is one of the stable version of Tableau, and it's very much compatible with Mac OS, while some previous versions like 10.5, 2018.0 had some bugs. So after double clicking, it's opening the setup and it's ready for installation. Okay, now it's Tableau Desktop package has been created by the setup. Then we will simply double click on Tableau Desktop package file. About my Mac, so it's MacBook Pro, has i5 processor and 16 GB RAM. But 8 GB is sufficient. And for Windows laptops also, I have a Lenovo laptop having i3 processor, Intel i3 processor, and 8 GB RAM. So i3 processor and 8 GB RAM is sufficient for Tableau and Power BI and Oracle database. Okay, now double click on package and click on continue. And again continue, and just agree with the terms and condition. Then click on install, or we have another location because this setup will take 1.7 GB space in Mac. So if we don't have space, so just we can delete some old downloads files which are not useful, and we can make the space. Then simply click on install and enter password of Mac, and installation will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes in Mac OS. And again, there are multiple factors depend on the RAM, processor, as well as if we are running some other softwares in system. So 3 to 5 minutes is sufficient. And finally, installation uh, completed. Then we'll close it. And this is the disk. Simply I'll eject the disk from the desktop, then we'll go to Launchpad, and here this is a Tableau Desktop 2020.3. It will open within fraction of seconds. Now if first time you are installing Tableau Desktop, so you will get 14 days free trial. After that, I would recommend to buy Tableau license key. I have two Tableau license key, one for Mac and second for Windows OS. So just apply for the trial and enjoy Tableau learning. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Thank you.